Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the cinematics volume in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From here, select the Audio tab. Look for Cinematics Volume. As the tooltip suggests, this setting lets you adjust the volume level of the game's cinematic cutscenes. You can set this gauge to as low as 0% or as high as 100%, with 0 being muted, 100 being max, of course. I will set it to something like 50. Once you are done adjusting this to your liking, simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.